Assalamualaikum grade 4. This is Najma Khan here welcoming you again with lesson number 6, and in this lesson we are going to start unit number 3, and this is the part 1 from that unit. Students, have you ever thought about what it might be like to live in another country? You must be thinking, why am I asking this? I am asking this because the unit which we have started, the unit number 3, life in another country, is all about the same question. We are going to learn about the two girls, Lisa and Nazia, who are e-balls, the pen friends. They write to each other to know each other, and their name are Lisa, who lives in Sydney in Australia, and the other one is Nazia, who lives in Sialkot in Pakistan. Nazia has two brothers and two sisters. Her father works for an insurance company. Her mother works at a university. Lisa does not have any brothers or sister. Her father works in a bank and her mother is a teacher. Both girls not only live different cities but different countries. So we are going to learn about the different cities and the different countries, starting with their location for the both of the cities. If we talk about Sialkot, Sialkot is a city in northeast Punjab in Pakistan. It is near the Chenab River and is close to Jammu and Kashmir. Sialkot is about 125 kilometers north of Lahore, the capital of Punjab. And if we look at Sydney, Sydney is the east of Australia. It sits on Sydney's harbour, one of the world's deepest natural harbours. There are lots of beaches in the Sydney, and people like to go there at weekends and after school or work. Sydney is 288 kilometers from Canberra, the capital of Australia. Both the cities, Sialkot and Sydney, they have different climate. Sialkot has humid and hot summers and cooler winters. Sydney has warmer summers and mild winters. Sialkot has much higher temperatures than Sydney. In summers, temperatures can be 40 degrees Celsius. In Sydney, summer temperatures are between 24 to 26 degrees. We will learn more about Sialkot and Sydney, but in next lecture. I'm done with today's topic. So let's move on towards these two pictures. The first picture shows the clock tower in Sialkot, and the second picture shows the opera house in Sydney. What you are going to do with these pictures, you are going to write some sentences about these famous buildings, and you are also going to write what is special about them and what do you like about them. After making this assignment, you will be sharing the assignment to me on this given email address. I'll be waiting for it. Thank you so much.